In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to encrypt email messages in Outlook. By the end, you'll know how to add a secure send add-in so you can protect sensitive information right from your inbox. Start by opening your browser and going to Microsoft.com. We'll use the web version of Outlook so everything looks consistent. At the top of the page, open the All Microsoft menu to view the list of apps, then select Outlook. If you're prompted, click Sign In and log in with the account you use for email. Once you're in, you'll be on the Outlook web interface. Create a new draft by clicking New Mail. This opens the message composer, and that's important because the tools we need live inside this window. In the Compose pane, look for the Insert option, then choose Apps. This is where Outlook lets you connect extra features that enhance your email, including encryption tools. Next, click Get Add-ins. A new tab or window will open with the add-in store. Use the search bar and type Encrypt. You'll see options designed to help protect messages. Find the one called Send Secure, click it, then click Add to install it to your Outlook account. Installation is quick, but give it a moment to register. If you're using a work or school account, your organization might manage add-ins. If so, you may see a notice and you'll just follow whatever prompt appears. When the add-in confirms it's been added, close the add-ins tab to return to Outlook. Refresh the Outlook page to make sure everything loads correctly. A refresh is an easy way to make the new tools appear in your Compose window without any guesswork. Open your draft again or start a fresh message. Go back to Insert, then Apps. You should now see Send Secure listed among your available apps. Click Send Secure and the add-in will launch and attach to your message. Depending on the add-in's design, you may see a sidebar or a prompt that lets you enable encryption, adjust settings, or mark the message to be sent securely. From here, compose your email as usual, and when you're ready to send, follow the add-in's on-screen instructions to ensure the message is protected. That's it, you've added the Send Secure add-in and enabled encryption for your Outlook emails, helping you safeguard private details with just a few clicks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.